Have you ever looked up at the moon and wondered just how much it has influenced our planet? It might surprise you to learn that this celestial body, which has been orbiting Earth for billions of years, has played a significant role in shaping not just our tides and seasons, but potentially the very history of life on Earth. New research suggests that the moon's gradual movement away from Earth over millions of years has had profound effects on our planet's rotation, lengthening our days by over 2 hours. But how did this seemingly small change contribute to one of the most significant evolutionary events in Earth's history? Let's dive into this fascinating discovery and explore how the moon, our closest cosmic neighbor, might have triggered a chain of events that led to the Cambrian explosion, an era that marked the rapid diversification of life on Earth. To understand the significance of this discovery, we need to go back in time, way back, to a period around 1.4 billion years ago. During this time, the Earth and Moon were much closer together than they are today. The gravitational pull between these two bodies was much stronger, and as a result, the Earth's rotation was faster, meaning our days were shorter, much shorter than the 24 hours we experience now. But as the Moon slowly drifted away from Earth, something incredible happened. Earth's rotation began to slow down, and our days began to lengthen. Fast forward to around 650 million years ago, and the Earth's day had lengthened by over 2 hours. While this may not sound like a drastic change, these extra hours of daylight could have had a significant impact on our planet's environment, particularly in terms of solar energy distribution and atmospheric dynamics. More daylight hours meant more energy was available for photosynthetic organisms, which could have contributed to a rise in oxygen levels in Earth's atmosphere. This period of increased oxygenation is believed to have set the stage for the Cambrian explosion, a time when life on Earth diversified rapidly, giving rise to the ancestors of most modern animals. But what exactly is the Cambrian explosion, and why is it so important? The Cambrian explosion, which occurred around 540 million years ago, is one of the most critical periods in the history of life on Earth. Before this time, life on Earth was relatively simple, consisting mainly of single-celled organisms and simple, multicellular life forms. However, during the Cambrian explosion, there was a rapid increase in the complexity and diversity of life forms. This period saw the emergence of almost all the major animal phyla we know today, including arthropods, mollusks, and chordates, the group that includes vertebrates like us. The causes of the Cambrian explosion have been a topic of intense debate among scientists for decades. Some theories suggest that it was triggered by genetic innovations, while others point to environmental changes, such as increased oxygen levels or the development of predator-prey relationships, as key factors. However, this new research introduces an intriguing possibility that the Moon's influence on Earth's rotation and the resulting longer days may have played a crucial role in creating the conditions necessary for this explosion of life. Let's break down how longer days could have impacted the development of life on Earth. The additional hours of daylight would have increased the amount of solar energy reaching the planet's surface each day. For photosynthetic organisms, which rely on sunlight to produce energy, this would have been a significant boost. More sunlight means more energy production, which in turn could lead to higher levels of oxygen being released into the atmosphere. This increase in oxygen could have created a more hospitable environment for complex life forms to evolve and thrive. Moreover, longer days could have also influenced Earth's climate and weather patterns. The distribution of solar energy across the planet plays a crucial role in driving atmospheric circulation and weather systems. With more daylight hours, there could have been changes in temperature gradients, wind patterns, and even ocean currents. These changes could have altered the habitats available to early life forms, leading to new opportunities for diversification and adaptation. But the impact of the Moon on Earth's history doesn't end with the Cambrian explosion. The research also sheds light on another significant period in Earth's history, the late Paleozoic era, roughly 340 million to 280 million years ago. During this time, Earth experienced a similar slowdown in its rotation, and the length of a day increased once again. This period coincided with a time of extensive glaciation, where large ice sheets covered much of the planet. The connection between the Moon's influence on Earth's rotation and these glaciation events is still not fully understood, but it's possible that changes in Earth's rotation could have influenced the planet's climate in ways that contributed to the formation of these massive ice sheets. For example, longer days could have affected the distribution of solar energy, leading to cooler temperatures in certain regions and the buildup of ice. What's particularly fascinating about this research is that it challenges some previously held beliefs about the factors driving changes in Earth's rotation. For years, scientists have debated the causes of Earth's rotational slowdown, with some theories suggesting that rapid glaciation events played a significant role. However, this new study points to tidal forces, specifically the gravitational pull between Earth and the Moon, as the primary driver of these changes. As the Moon slowly moves away from Earth, it exerts less gravitational pull, causing the planet's rotation to slow down and its days to lengthen. So what does all of this mean for us today? The Moon is still drifting away from Earth at a rate of about 1.5 inches, 3.8 centimeters per year. And as it does, our days continue to get longer, albeit at a much slower pace. While these changes are imperceptible on a human timescale, they remind us of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our planet and its relationship with the Moon. But the Moon's influence on Earth doesn't stop with the length of our days. Its gravitational pull is also responsible for the tides, which have played a crucial role in shaping Earth's coastlines and ecosystems. Tides influence everything from the distribution of nutrients in the ocean to the behavior of marine life. In fact, some scientists believe that the tides may have played a role in the evolution of early life forms, particularly those that made the transition from water to land. The Moon also stabilizes Earth's axial tilt, which is responsible for the seasons. Without the Moon, Earth's tilt could vary widely over time, leading to extreme climate swings that could make it difficult for life to survive. The Moon's presence helps to keep Earth's climate relatively stable, creating the conditions necessary for life to flourish. As we continue to explore the relationship between Earth and the Moon, it's clear that this connection is far more profound than we ever imagined. The Moon has not only influenced the physical characteristics of our planet, but has also played a crucial role in the history of life on Earth. From the length of our days to the diversity of life forms that inhabit our planet, the Moon's impact is undeniable. But this research also raises new questions. If the Moon has had such a significant influence on Earth's history, what other forces might be at play? How do other celestial bodies in our solar system, such as the Sun or the planets, influence Earth's environment in the evolution of life? And what does this mean for the future of our planet as the Moon continues to drift away? These are questions that scientists are only beginning to explore, and the answers could have profound implications for our understanding of Earth's history and its future. As we learn more about the complex interactions between Earth and the Moon, we may uncover new insights into the forces that have shaped our planet and the life it supports. In the grand scheme of things, the story of Earth and the Moon is a reminder of the interconnectedness of our universe. The movements and interactions of celestial bodies have far-reaching effects that we are only just beginning to understand. The Moon, once thought of as a distant, inert object, is now recognized as a key player in the drama of life on Earth. So the next time you look up at the Moon, take a moment to appreciate its profound influence on our world. It's not just a beautiful object in the night sky. It's a force that has shaped the very fabric of our planet and the life it supports. What other secrets might the Moon hold? How will its continued movement influence the future of life on Earth? These are the mysteries that scientists will continue to explore, and we'll be here to share those discoveries with you. If you're as fascinated by the Moon's influence on Earth as we are, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into the wonders of our universe. And as always, we encourage you to share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. How do you think the Moon has shaped life on Earth? What other mysteries of the cosmos are you curious about? We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for joining us on this journey through time and space,